Welcome to our channel. Today we'll be reviewing two of the best air fryers available in the market. Don't forget to like this video, comment on your thoughts, and hit the subscribe button for more reviews like this. Let's get started. The Chefman air fryer is priced at $99, while the Gourmia air fryer oven costs $53. While the Gourmia is significantly cheaper, the Chefman offers more features and is sturdier in build quality. The Chefman air fryer scores better here with its easily accessible digital touch controls and preset buttons. Gourmia's air fryer has a slightly more complicated digital display that may take some time to get used to. The Gourmia air fryer oven offers a larger cooking capacity of up to 16 quarts, while the Chefman air fryer is limited to 8 quarts. Gourmia is the clear winner here for households with big appetites. Both air fryers claim to cook food using 98% less oil than traditional frying methods, but Gourmia takes it a step further with its fat removal technology that removes up to 90% of fat from the food. Gourmia is the winner here for those looking for a healthier cooking option. Both air fryers come with dishwasher-safe parts, but Chefman's air fryer is much easier to clean due to its non-stick frying tray and basket design. Chefman takes the win for cleaning. And that's our comparison review of the Chefman air fryer and the Gourmia air fryer oven. Both are reliable options, but with distinct advantages in certain areas. It ultimately comes down to your preferences and needs. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews like this.